everybody, here I am using the LAVATOR Naturals leave-in conditioner, and I mixed that with just a little bit of water, and I put that in my spray bottle, and I'm using that to moisturize my hair and get it nice and damp for application of the Mellow Me Out hair and body butter. And that will be on the market soon from Love Your Look Products and Cosmetics. It's a shea butter based product, and I use that for my leave outs. I also use that just to moisturize my hair on a daily basis. It's really great for when you're just doing an updo or just putting some braids in your hair, just want your hair moisturized. If you're doing a braid out, twist out, bantu knot out, it's really great for that. Now I am applying a generous amount to this section because I am currently putting about 5 cornrows in my hair total to achieve this big wavy look. So as you can see, as I turn to the back, this is one of the 3 cornrows I'm putting in the back of my hair, and then I'm dividing it again to make 3 big cornrows. And then the front, I have 2 cornrows here, and I did a deep side part so that way I can achieve a nice finished look when I take the braids out. I'm also accompanying this style with some foaming wrap lotion. I wanted to try this out with the Mellow Me Out hair butter just to see how it would react and how my hair will come out the next day. As you'll see later on in the video, that the hair comes out a little bit more poofier than I expected, but it gives you that day 2, day 3 look that some of you might be looking for. Here I'm just going to use my dimming brush and just comb through and distribute the product evenly throughout my hair. And just make sure I'm getting out any tangles. You do not want any tangles in your hair when you're creating this style. And this is the type of style that you would do to your hair at night. Unless you're going to do it during the day and you have nowhere to go, and you may want to sit under a hooded dryer or use a diffuser, but I'm pretty sure that would take a little longer if you're planning on going somewhere at night. But I would normally do this the night before, so I'll have to give my hair enough time to dry and set for the next day. Here I'm going to show you how I cornrow my hair in each section. I'm just going to show you one cornrow. You want to be careful to keep your hair nice and smooth throughout this process. So if you feel like you feel any tangles or anything like that, just go ahead and get your wide tooth comb or your dimming brush and just go ahead and get those knots or tangles out of your hair, and just continue on with your cornrow. Seems I had a little snag right there, so I was trying to clear that out of my head. And I'm going to show you a little trick I do on the ends of my hair here. This allows your hair to come out just a little bit more smoother towards those ends. Some people have problems with snags and tangling and just that bushy end look. So what I do is I just apply a little bit more of the Mellow Me Out hair butter, and I take each piece of the hair and I kind of twist it just a little bit so it secures any loose ends inside the plait as you continue to braid and plait your hair down. It gives you a tighter, smoother, finished look. Well, that's all I have for you, so stay tuned, check out the after pictures, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. See you soon.